Hi friends, how are you today? Today's video is an unboxing of some items that I got from Beautylish. And I don't know if I've ever purchased anything just outright from Beautylish. I have gotten the, what's it called? The New Year bundle. It's like a mystery thing. I don't remember. I actually did a video on it last year. I do have that coming. It won't be here until mid-January, but I'll definitely do an unboxing when I get that. But when I was on the site getting that New Year thing, I found some other things that I wanted to purchase, and you have to actually purchase those separately because they're a whole separate thing. So anyway, I just got the stuff from Beautylish and I have not unboxed it yet. This is what it looks like on the inside. So here it says Beautylish presents Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I don't remember if everything that I purchased is Jeffree Star. I don't know. I really do like how on the inside there it says packaged with love in San Francisco, packed by, and then it has a person's name. They actually signed it, but I can't read what it says. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so some packaging there on top. And here we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. So this is maybe the only thing that wasn't Jeffree Star. This is Kevyn Aucoin, and it is a pencil sharpener. I only put this in the bag because I was just a few dollars away from getting free shipping, and it would have been silly not to. It's just a regular pencil sharpener from Kevyn Aucoin. To me, I can never have too many pencil sharpeners because I'm always losing my sharpeners. And I'll go ahead and show you the couple things that I got for free. I don't remember if I picked these things or if they just put them in. I don't remember. The Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Yep, it's a liquidy toner. So it's just a little bitty one there. And then also a sample, a couple samples of the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. That's what that looks like. Now this is something that I've been wanting to try for a while. This is the concealer, and I know it was sold out for a really long time online, but I just happened to see it when I was on there and I decided to go ahead and get it. The packaging, I mean, you can't get any cuter with the packaging. Like, come on. There's the Jeffree Star logo. Now this one is really, really light, and this is not the lightest color. There's an actual white, but there's the C1, so it's like C0 or 0, C1, C2, and then on up. This is C2, okay? So I don't even know. It looks kind of definitely really, really light to me, but I can mix it with other ones that I have because I have so many that are just too dark. A lot of times, makeup lines don't even make concealers that are light enough for my skin. They go on really dark. So you can see there, I mean, that's pretty light. Yep, that's pretty light. But I don't have any issue with that. I can definitely mix it with something if it is. It smoothed out really easily, so that's good. So I'm looking forward definitely to trying that one. And seriously, the packaging, I mean, come on. Now, the next thing, I happened to see this palette on a Facebook Live group, and I was like, ooh, that is so pretty. It is called the Cremated. Now, it was in this bubble wrap, just so you know. It's the Cremated palette. So there's that. Now, I don't know if I've said, but I'm not a huge fan of Jeffree Star, but these are just things that I really thought looked interesting, so that's why I purchased them. But I'm really not like a... Some people are just really, really big fans of him. I'm not so much, but that's okay. I just want to try some of the makeup. All right, these are such pretty colors. I definitely don't have anything like this, so I'm going to put it down so the mirror doesn't blind you. But look at these beautiful colors. Every one of them is named, which is cool, but we have names like Hearse, Inheritance, Mausoleum, Embalmed, Eulogy, Death Certificate, RIP, Pallbearer. So not the nicest names, but it is called the Cremated palette. All right, so I'm definitely excited about using this because I've had like one or two colors that are kind of like a grayish or lean more on the silvery gray side, and it seems to make the green in my eyes pop, which is very interesting because you wouldn't think that. But anyway, so I'm definitely excited to use this one. And this is another thing that I saw on that Facebook group that I am a part of, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get something like that so I can store my lippies. So this is what it is. It comes in this protective covering here. your lipsticks. So hopefully these are all round. Not all of my lipsticks are rounded, but a lot of them are. So it's like that. It does say Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the front. I don't really care so much, but it has his logo there on the sides. But that's really cute, like to sit on my vanity. I'm pretty excited about that. And if you just need to store it, my light just went out, so sorry about that. If you just need to store it, you can just put them like that. And it's kind of compact. So that's all I got. I only got a few things. I just wanted to share them with you. If you're interested in seeing swatches of the Cremated palette, just let me know. Let me know down below. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is this right here. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.